Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, global retail market. So last session we discussed about what do you mean by retail? I mean that retail management. So now we are going to discuss global retail market. So in that word itself, it will be explained clearly global, right? So global retailing is the concept of selling products, that is goods and services, across the geographical boundaries of a country to the consumers available in the different parts of the world to attain global presence and recognition and to capture the opportunities prevailing in the potential overseas markets. So now you clearly understand about the global retail market. You can see the picture also. So global retailing is nothing but the head office is in that abroad. They are having branches in India. And also global retail market, the biggest retail stores all around the world. It's Walmart. So that's only you can see the pictures. It's a US based retailer and also Tesco and Starbucks, McDonald's, Amazon. So many examples we have seen in that global retail market. So evolution of retail in India. So what about that retail in India? They are having the evolution. We can start from that rural reach. That is weekly market or village fairs or melas. It's a rural reach source of entertainment. If you need any product from that farmers, I mean the village, we can conduct that melas or village fairs like Ulavar Sandai, like that. If you're purchasing fresh vegetables from that village fairs or melas. Next, convenience stores, mom and pop or kirana stores. Kirana stores, you already know about that. It's near to that house. For example, pervasive reach, neighborhood and convenience store for all the customers. It will be near to access. So convenience stores and mom and pop stores and kirana stores. So next, public distribution system outlets, that is the ration shop, that is Khadi stores or cooperative. So government supported and also the cost will be very low compared to that other things. So PDS outlet. Then exclusive brand outlet and hypermarket or supermarket or departmental stores like Reliance departmental stores or Kannan departmental stores, Lulu hypermarket, then supermarkets, big bazaar, shopping malls. So these are all in that retail modern formats. Shopping experience and efficiency also we have seen in that retail. So it will start from that rural to urban. So that is the evolution of Indian retail. So what are the drivers of retail change in India? Increase in disposable income, changing consumer preferences, demographic changes, government policies, technological advances, urbanization and infrastructure development, competition, changing retail formats, supply chain and logistics, sustainability and social responsibility. So increase in disposable income. For example, if you take it as a standard of living, so every customer they have to separately they have to disposable income for that shopping purpose. So that income also it will be increasing. For example, if you take as a Bangalore or Chennai or Coimbatore, the standard of living will be high in that Bangalore city compared to that Coimbatore and also Chennai. So in most of the tier one cities, for I mean that the customers they are focusing on to purchase more product that shopping. So the disposable income, so some income will be separately they have to allocate for the shopping. Changing consumer preferences, it's a very important thing because the taste and preferences will be differ from one day to another day. So always they have to change their preferences and taste. Then demographic changes. Demographic is nothing but the age, income, gender, like that. So depends upon the age and the occupation. Uh, it will change that taste and preferences of the product. Then government policies. As per the government policies, they have to fix the price of your product. And technology advancements. It's a very important challenge for the retail because the technology advancement it's like now it's entered into the AI or augmented reality or virtual reality. So these are the things will happen in the technology advances. Urbanization and infrastructure development. It's amazingly. It's well developed. Then competition, the competition will be more. Then changing retail formats. We already discussed in that evaluation of retail, right? So hypermarket, supermarket. So many retail formats are there. Individual ownership, right? So supply chain and logistics, it's very important. If you have storing the goods from the warehouse and also supply chain and logistics, and sustainability and social responsibility, uh, the both are very important for that drivers of retail change in India. So these are the points we discussed in that drivers of retail change in India. So we are going to discuss very important topic in the next session. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all.